we'd been thinking twice about taking you on. You seem quite happy in your dreams. This garden is overgrown. The trees cut out the sun. These circles you're standing in, they surely have to go. Light strikes the window pane. It falls into these hands. Will quench the thirst of earth one dry. Bring new life to the land. Vain woman, goodbye, goodbye. Your fancy cloaks and plays no longer can win my heart and take me from the rain. A jug of love won't turn you down. If you have an empty cup to fill, a jug of love will not run dry and never cease to spill. With every single